Succulents are excellent plants for beginners. They're low maintenance, but there are some ground rules to keep them thriving. Choose a container with a drainage hole. This lets water pass through quickly. Pooling water can cause succulents to rot. When growing indoors, give your succulents as much light as possible. Place them near the window that gets the most sunlight during the day. When in a low-lit area, succulents often stretch out and lose their beauty, like this guy. Use a cactus and succulent potting mix. This soil is lighter, faster draining with more aeration. Regular soil is too heavy and holds too much moisture. Overwatering is the most common cause of succulents dying. Water them deeply, but infrequently. Most need to be watered every 2 to 3 weeks. Let the soil dry completely between waterings. To keep your plants looking nicer, clear them of any insects or dead and decaying foliage. Take care of your beloved succulents, and we are sure that your love will be returned.